I just bought 62. You know, gunship cavalry reduced my IQ by at least 400. Both my brain cells are in extreme strain. And if my mind rolls into one more Hailfire droid, then I will be very angry and disappointed in myself. And guess what happened? Wait. Back to the beginning. Make it end, please. Do the world a favour and release a version of LEGO Star Wars The Complete Saga without gunship cavalry or bounty hunter pursuit. Also, why Attack of the Clones got to have the worst levels?